Hello, this is Pete from Electric Bike Report, and we're taking a look at the ProdecoTech street style electric bikes here at Interbike 2014. So this is a new speed Pedelec bike from ProdecoTech, and it uses their new torque sensor, which is attached near the cranks and measures the force on the chain, which is basically reflective of what kind of pedal power you're putting in. This particular bike has a 600 watt geared rear hub motor, and it'll take the bike up to around 28 miles per hour. And the torque sensor on this bike is actually, it can be used on a number of different ProdecoTech bikes, including some of the older versions of the ProdecoTech bikes. So it's a nice system so that you can use the pedal assist if you want to, or the throttle. It provides for both options. Yeah, stay tuned for more information on this new speed Pedelec from ProdecoTech. Alright, so next up we have the Scorpion 9, and they also have a Scorpion 27, which is 27 speeds. This one's a 9-speed system, uses the SRAM drivetrain there. And one of the unique things about this bike is that it's pretty lightweight. It weighs 38 pounds. The frames are actually made in the USA by a company named Volcanic in Seattle. And they're aluminum frames, and you can see this is the water bottle mount battery. This is a 33 volt 9.3 amp hour lithium pack, the 250 watt front hub motor there, and these bikes come decked out with a lot of componentry from SRAM, Avid, RockShox, Truvative, etc. So pretty nice setup and pretty lightweight. Okay, so up next is the Oasis. This is the beach cruiser style electric bike from ProdecoTech, and these feature aluminum frames, and you can see the one in front here is the step-through frame, and then the one beyond is the traditional triangle frame. Now these have 750 watt direct drive rear hub motors that'll power the bike up to 20 miles per hour. And then the battery packs, you've got either the option of a 48 volt 9 amp hour or a 12 amp hour lithium battery pack. There's two different models of the Oasis, so you have your choice of which pack you want. But these come with a pretty healthy selection of SRAM, Truvative, Avid, and Continental componentry. So the Stride series has the step-through frame, and this is the Stride 500. It's got a 500 watt direct drive rear hub motor and a 36 volt 16 amp hour pack on this particular model. They also offer a few other models with a 12 amp hour or a 9 amp hour pack. And on the front is the RockShox XC28 suspension fork on this model. And the bikes overall just have a pretty upright, laid-back, comfortable riding style, and with the step-through frame makes it pretty easy to get on and off. Now this is the SRAM E-Matic system on the StrideMatic, and it has a 250 watt rear hub motor, 36 volt, 10 amp hour lithium pack, and you can see that step-through frame there on the StrideMatic. The SRAM system is pretty simple to use. It has 2 speeds in the rear hub there that shift automatically depending on how fast you're going, and there's really nothing to do but just pedal and go. So it makes for a very simple bike. So the Mariner line from ProdecoTech is the small-wheeled folding bikes. These fold down to a pretty compact size. And this is the Mariner 500. It's a 500 watt geared rear hub motor on this bike, and that's actually a pretty powerful motor for a folding electric bike like this. And it has the aluminum frame, folds in the center there. And then this is the Suntour Swing Shock, a suspension fork on the front there. There's also a suspension seat post on the back, and this is a 48 volt 9 amp hour lithium battery pack on the back, and then the Avid hydraulic disc brakes. And then the Mariner 7 is right next to it, the white bike, and that has a 300 watt front hub motor and a 36 volt 9 amp hour lithium pack. And that also has componentry from SRAM and Avid, and folds down to a pretty compact size. You can learn more about these bikes at ProdecoTech.com.